How to use AI to automate your job search. Job hunting is stressful. It takes hours, it's repetitive, and often, you never hear back. But I can change that. Today, I'll show you how to use AI to automate your job search. From finding jobs, to resumes, cover letters, and even interviews. Let's dive in. Step 1. Finding jobs. First, let's automate job discovery. Instead of scrolling for hours on LinkedIn or Indeed, use AI job boards like Look or Tilk. They scan thousands of jobs, then deliver the best matches to your inbox every day. You can also set Google Alerts with Zapier. That way, every morning you wake up with a fresh list of jobs waiting for you. Step 2. Resume and cover letters. Most resumes fail because they don't match the job description. AI solves that. Upload your resume into tools like Resi or Kick Resume. Paste in the job description. The AI rewrites your resume with the right keywords for TS systems. Need a cover letter? Ask ChatGPT, write me a short, professional cover letter for this role, highlighting my skills in data analysis. Done in seconds. Step 3. Auto-applying. Next, let's automate applications. Tools like Lazy-Apply or Loop can apply to hundreds of jobs for you. Use them for volume jobs, but for your dream jobs, apply manually. Let AI handle the grind while you focus on high-value roles. Step 4. Networking with AI. Now let's talk networking. I can write personalized LinkedIn messages to recruiters and hiring managers. For example, "Hi Sarah, I admire what your company is doing in tech. I'd love to connect and learn more about opportunities." I can even draft LinkedIn posts to showcase your skills. That way, recruiters come to you. Step 5. Interview prep. Finally, interview preparation. Use tools like Google's Interview Warm-Up or Udly to practice questions. You can also paste the job description and company website into ChatGPT. It will summarize the company's culture, recent news, and possible interview questions. That makes you sound prepared and confident. With the AI, you can cut your job search time in half. It finds the jobs, tailors your resume, and even helps you practice interviews. You just focus on the opportunities that matter. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you'll try first. Until next time, let AI do the heavy lifting.